Chicago public health officials are sounding the alarm after a rise in drug overdoses over the weekend. This trend here as the CDC reports an overall decrease in opioid overdose deaths. CBS 2's Darius Johnson joins us live in the control room with the concerns and plans from health leaders and law enforcement. Darius.
Erica, good evening. I can tell you that the worry and the fear is that the numbers will continue to rise as they have in the past, especially during the summer months. However, right now, there is a plan that involves new strategies by the city and the state to help combat drug overdoses. For the first time since 2019, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says opioid-related deaths are down across the country.
We're seizing record amounts of fentanyl, both in powder and pill forms, along with the other illicit narcotics.
Luis Agostini with the Drug Enforcement Administration Chicago Division not only credits seizures, but holistic approaches.
That includes making tools like Narcan widely available and easily accessible, improving access to treatment and recovery.
For Chicago, 2021 was the all-time high with more than 1,400 overdose deaths.
We are sort of stabilizing at a historic high, but the fact that it's not continuing to go up is reassuring.
Reassuring for Dr. Jenny Waugh, the medical director of behavioral health of the Chicago Department of Public Health. But what's not reassuring are these numbers. On Saturday, May 11th, there were 50 opioid-related EMS responses, and from May 10th to May 15th, there were a total of 242. It's unknown if any or how many died.
It's not surprising to us, at least, that we are seeing this spike at this time of the year.
Similar spikes have occurred in June, July, and August over the last 3 summers.
Over 50 is when we spike a red alert, and that's the threshold that we crossed on Saturday over a 24-hour period. This continues to be an important public health issue that I'm glad we're talking about.
Not only are they talking about it, they're doing something about it by taking samples during the outbreak to provide better clinical guidance, and as the summer begins, reversal drugs and preventative substance abuse treatments.
Our main call of duty is to prevent overdoses before they occur.
Now, those summer initiatives include naloxone, which is the reversal drug, which is free and available at Chicago public libraries, as well as at 5 different city vending machines. Testing strips are also readily available, as well as community education. And there's also a preventative treatment that's called the Medicated Assistance Recovery Now. That program is available to Illinois residents over the age of 18, and it is 24/7. That's the very latest here in the control room. I'm Darius Johnson, CBS 2 News.
All right. Thank you, Darius.